In this Elementor tutorial video, I'll show you how you can add a typing text effect in Elementor WordPress, just like this one over here, which I have done for a client of mine. And over here, no coding is required in order to do this. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to do, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this kind of typing effect over on this website over here. So the very first thing I need to go to plugins and then click on add new plugin. Okay. Then I'm going to search for the plugin Royal Addons. Okay. Then hit enter. This is the one which I need to install, Royal Elementor Addons and Templates. I will click install now. Okay, it is installed. Then I'm going to activate it. Okay, great. It is installed. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this page and I'm going to open this page up in Elementor. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it's loaded. Great. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to type in advanced. Over here, I will go scroll down, and over here you see this advanced text, okay, by Royal Addons. Okay, over here, paste it over here. Okay, great. So let me just remove this, delete. I want to keep this one only. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click this one, and then I can change the style over here. Let me change the prefix text color to white, and also change the color of the advanced, the typing text to white. Okay, great. And also the color to white too. Great. Okay, great. And you go to content over here, and over here, this is the first sentence we are creating, and this is the sentence that which are going to change. You see, they have two things: best wishes and amazing plugins. Okay, best websites, and then it deletes it. You see that it's going to delete it and put in the best website one. Okay, so I'm going to change this one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just hit backspace and keep this we are we are professionals professionals. Then the next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to write um dedicated. Then lastly I'm going to say awesome. Okay, so it's going to repeat these three things over here: we are professionals, we are dedicated, and then we are awesome. Okay, and some things, other things, then you can do, you can increase the size of this 55, maybe 65. And also I can increase the size of this text over here 65. Okay, so now it looks nice. We are awesome, we are professionals. Okay, we are dedicated, then followed by we are awesome. Great. Then another thing you can do, you can edit, make it go to the next line. To do that, we can add a simple br text over here, which is a line break. Say it now goes to the second line. Okay, we are dedicated. And you can also do that, you can also align it to the left, to the right, or just the center. Okay, whichever works for you. So this is how you add a typing text effect in Elementor WordPress. Okay, so if you found this video useful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.